And we're back with day 2 of Santo Domingo, and let's see where we venture off to on the cable car. Here we go.
Good morning.
Good night.
When the last time you saw us, when the last time you saw me, I was really unhappy. Yeah. You'll notice we've changed.
We didn't do a sign off.
We didn't do a sign off because
this is day 2.
This is like another day. So we've got the morning in Santo Domingo. Gonna try and get on the cable car. Hopefully make it a better day than yesterday.
After your fabulous suggestion.
Yeah.
People coming back last night saying it was successful.
Yes.
So we're doing it today.
So yeah, we're off on the cable car. So come with us for day 2 of
Santo Domingo.
Ciao.
So, having taken the shuttle bus into the colonial zone, we actually walked our table guests to the local craft shop we had at the start. So we dropped them off and then we got on our taxi. So we had to book a taxi from our port area to the first stop of the metro, and we arranged with our taxi driver to pick us up afterwards. As we said, we just do a round trip and come back, so he would wait for us. So very quickly after we left the colonial zone, which was all nice beautiful architecture, we very much were in with the locals. As you can see here, it was very different and our eyes were mostly looking out the windows the whole time. It just the change in life, not knowing what we were going to be walking into with the cable car journey you're about to see. It was incredibly moving. We thoroughly enjoyed it, and it's one part of our cruise that we will remember, as it was such a unique experience. So, enjoy.
We've got our first stop on quite an interesting taxi run, but we've got our steps and we're away to go on the tram? No, not the tram. Cable car.
Oh,
right.
Hold on. We've got a celebrity with us. Teresa was in the Auckland video.
Yeah, a fair few times. Right.
Am I jumping off this one? Hopefully we're not jumping off anything.
Right, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
There's your one.
No. Anyway, even if we get the chance to go.
Wait, this way.
Sorry. Yes, just got shouted at because I went in too early.
Right. Oh. You went wait, or do you want to hop in? Yeah.
Woohoo! We're in. Signing our life away on a cable car. Sit down. I am. Stinks. You can smell it. Yeah.
Wow.
Quite shocking,
Yeah. Well, there's no roads there. It's just pollution. Look at the pollution.
Look at the houses along the river.
Yeah. You want to give me your...
That's all in it on the part.
Oh, it stinks.
It does, it's
Give us a wave. Give us a wave.
I'm good, I guess. Chucking one of the things in place. Oh my days.
And it just continues.
Yeah, it's just...
But how different is this from La Zona Colonial?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And considering that the coaches are so nice, the bathrooms are spotless.
Yeah.
Like the sweet Scottish couple, they went to the cave restaurant, and like the bathrooms were stunning.
Yeah.
You're in a cave, and the bathroom is stunning. It's top service. And then they've got this.
It is like Rio, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 And,
fact that every house is totally different. And you do have some traditional housing, and then you've just got some sort of like that house is stunning, it's got the graving, it's got the bits. And then some houses are just tin.
Didn't get a very good one, we'll get it on the way back.
Feels so far away, but it's
Right, you're obviously coming into a bit of a better part of the city back there because that looks a bit nicer.
everywhere you look now.
Well, everything seems a bit nicer now.
Yeah, it is. There's not so much tin roofs.
You know, everybody's got cars here and
Yeah.
right. We've got a wee problem here. We're trying to discuss maths.
700 divided by 500, £1.40.
Current exchange rates for the Dominican peso is 500 peso is £7. So we're trying to work it as to a pound. So Teresa, £1.40 is
It's £1, isn't it?
£1.40 is a pound.
No.
No, £1.
See,
Don't put this online.
that's why I'm recording it because it was too good.
700 divided by.
Hold on. You know what makes this even more fun? I'm a teacher, he's a teacher. Did you not work in finance?
No!
We're now coming up to a traditional school. Hopefully they'll do better maths than we did. Get haggis. Haggis is there, everyone. We're coming into the station.
The journey itself was 3 separate cable cars. We never left any of the stations and we stayed within the station walls and then continued and done the round trip.
Didn't get them.
Oh, they've gone. I wonder where they went to.
You wanna hold
Like,
it down
the
here?
cars are so nice. The cars are all nice.
Let me get your picture. Ginagawa mo din Teleferico. Pulsa. Yeah.
In the classroom up at the top.
Yeah.
So there's teachers sitting outside the classroom at a desk.
Well, imagine the school, the class will be doing a test or something. It's a massive school.
It is.
Isn't it?
All over here and everything.
Yeah. Oh, it's a massive area then, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can hear them still. Where are they coming from?
There's people outside down here.
Oh, that what it is.
Well, we're having a good time on the cable car. Now on the way back.
Been quite safe.
Yes,
journey,
a safe
considering
journey
outside.
over very unsafe places.
Yeah.
I'm sure you've saw by the pictures how it's actually been quite moving, hasn't it?
has.
It's really been different than what we thought. But no, on the way back now, we'll give you some more pictures as we're on the way back down. And the smell comes back.
Yeah.
Polished. Oh,
Yeah, you can smell, isn't it? Oh.
Luckily, our taxi driver was there to meet us and we were brought back to the colonial zone. We walked into the square and we were able to get a coffee and sit with some World Cruise guests. We were able to people watch, pigeon watch and enjoy the live music before heading back for our early sail.
Hello. We've had a little stop. You probably can't hear us for the music in the background, but we've had a little stop. Connor's gone, and I've gone a little bit alcoholic this morning. Still morning, isn't it? After 11 o'clock. But yes, we loved the cable car. Now back down, having a little drink. We'll do another little wander, and then we'll get back to the shuttle. Yep. Bye.
The colonial zone was heavily protected by police for the tourists, and this was us just walking past the police station that is set right beside the shuttle bus drop-off. So it is very much arranged and organised for tourists, these police officers, which just made us feel very comfortable and safe.
Hola!
Hello!
Time to say adios to Dominican Republic as we are boarding the ship right now. And we are getting on board for the next 2 days.
2 days.
Until we arrive into Mexico.
Yeah, Cozumel.
Cozumel is the next stop, so join us for that video. But Connor, an overall estimation of the Dominican Republic?
Today was much better than yesterday, but it's more just the shock of the from rich to poor. But it's lovely. The streets are really nice in the colonial zone. We've got a bit of a sail out party, but it is dull
and rainy.
There's not much to sail out of, so
we'll maybe give you a couple of videos.
Yeah, this might be the end, this might not be the end, but we'll see you next time.
Signing out.